1. High pressure. The deep sea is characterized by immense water pressure due to the weight of the water above. As you descend deeper, the pressure increases significantly. This poses a risk to humans and equipment, as it can cause structural damage or failure if not adequately protected. 2. Extreme temperatures. The deep sea can be extremely cold, with temperatures reaching near freezing levels. Conversely, in certain hydrothermal vent areas, the water can be scorching hot. These temperature extremes can pose challenges for equipment and can also affect the safety and well-being of the crew. 3. Limited visibility. Light penetration is minimal in the deep sea, resulting in poor visibility. The lack of natural light makes navigation and exploration difficult, increasing the chances of collisions with underwater hazards or getting lost in the vast expanse. 4. Decompression sickness. Deep sea divers are at risk of decompression sickness, also known as the bends. This condition occurs when ascending too quickly from great depths, causing dissolved gases, mainly nitrogen, to form bubbles in the bloodstream. Decompression sickness can be life-threatening and requires immediate medical attention. 5. Toxic substances. Certain areas of the deep sea may contain toxic substances, such as heavy metals or methane gas. Exposure to these substances can be harmful to both humans and marine life, potentially leading to health complications or environmental damage. 6. Limited resources. Deep sea expeditions often operate in remote locations, far from immediate assistance or resupply. This means that any equipment failure, medical emergencies, or unforeseen circumstances may be challenging to address promptly, potentially endangering the crew's safety. 7. Biological hazards. Deep sea ecosystems are unique and often host organisms that are poorly understood. Some marine organisms found in the deep sea may possess venomous or toxic properties, presenting risks to researchers or divers who come into contact with them. 8. Technical challenges. Deep sea exploration requires sophisticated and reliable equipment that can withstand the harsh conditions. Equipment failures or malfunctions can disrupt operations, jeopardize data collections, or even compromise the safety of the crew. It's important to note that deep-sea expeditions typically involve well-prepared teams with extensive planning and safety measures to mitigate these risks. Through careful training, advanced technology, and adherence to established protocols, the likelihood of encountering these hazards can be minimized, allowing for successful and safe exploration of the deep sea. Thanks to all of you who watched the video. See you again for videos like this. If you think the video is good, please subscribe the channel.